一，开始。
Good morning, everyone. This is Selina from HONEYHOUNG Bag.
Hello, everyone. This is Anis from HONEYHOUNG Bag. We are a factory since 1998, specialized in producing bag, promotional bag, traveling bag, laptop bags, and various kinds of bags.
Now you can see the video from our factory introduced. Okay.
Traveling bag, promotional bag, and various kinds of bags. Currently, we have various advanced production machines, over 300 sets and professional design, research and production team, which total has more than 300 people. Among them, we have 20 inspectors in our quality control team. Now, our annual growth reaches $20 million. HONEYHOUNG Traveling Products Company was founded in 2008, specialized in producing backpack, traveling bag, promotional bag, and various kinds of bags. Currently, we have various advanced production machines, over 300 sets and professional design, research and production team, which total has more than 300 people. Among them, we have 20 inspectors.
You can see all the bags we prepared with the classic designs.
Yes. I'm strongly recommend you this all the basic design backpacks. I will show you one by one, and then you will know why people like those bags. Yes, first one, the simple and small size. Yes, this one the size is 36 by 25 and by 10. Is for small size, but looks nice, with a front pocket and the top front pocket here, lining pocket here, and the main pocket. Yes, here, and a lining pocket inside pocket here. Two side pocket. And the back side, we use the sandwich fabric, sandwich mesh, yes, and yes, feel comfortable. And the straps, we use the waving piping, yes, and this waving, very good quality, yes, yes. And this one, suitable for kids. Yes, looks nice.
Very nice.
Next one. This one is for boys, for print, and this one for the girls. Same. This one can for girls. The size is middle, 38 by 28 by 12. The size, yes. And the print this one can for girl. This one is for boy. And the different design for the zipper puller. Yes, this one is the weaving with the batak stitching. This one is the string. This color made to the zipper looks very nice. And this one is black. This one also the color is matching the printing also. And the back side, because the bags very simple and basic, so all the customer worried about the straps stronger, so we made the box stitching here. You can see box stitching. Then the back straps and the handle, both very stronger. The size is small, but when you carry it, also very nice. Alice, you can. Yes. Yes. Look like this. This tool is a pretty one. And this one, you can see the fabric is a solid color, 600D, with the PVC backing. the flat PVC, the quantity very good. You can see like this, no white marker. Fabric also very bright. And the design, we also make a little changes. Rubber pattern, front pattern here, and the zipper puller, the color match to here. The small change, but looks really different. And this one size is bigger. So also, I think can for teenage. So we add a mesh pocket here. You can put water bottle here. And also the boxes stitching here make the bags stronger. This one size is 43. So we can put A4 size books enough. Yes, a lot of things stuff can put into here. The next one. Same. Just the fabric is different. The simple bag normally we use the PU fabric, and the printing here. You can see the rose golden print here, and here black one, but we use the very bright black oil, make the bright looks very bright. So this is a circle print. Yes. And the puller, we make a little change, the different design here. And the puller, you can, if you want to do your own design or logo, we also can make it. Yes. And here, yes, the glitter strip very bright, make the full bags not look like so dark. And here also match, the color also match. Inside, we use the cotton lining inside. And the weaving, here, we use the weaving binding. So quantity very good here. The next one, this one is nylon. 230D, 12 nylon. The print very nice, and you can feel it very smoothly. Yes. And soft, very soft. Yes. Print are more bright than the 600D. Inside have full lining. Have the side pocket, and the back side also have the zipper pocket. You can put some important things, some like a phone or wallet or passport, some important things for the back side. After you carry it, you can't lose it. Yes, you can try.
So light.
Yes, the back's light and looks nice. Also the straps, we use the batik stitching here, make the bags stronger. The next one. This one, also the back seat. You can for printing 600D with the printing. We have a lot of printing design. This one for boys, this one for girls. And the printing also, you can do your own design. If the ammo code is okay, you can do your own printing. Inside, PVC, black PVC, quantity very good. And the padding, lining and the foam padding, backside. The zippers, we use the silver color. Make the bags look nice. And here we have a water bottle. Yes. Color nice. Quantity is good. Quantity also good. Yes. And the last box. You can put the lunch box to this lunch bag. The pencil bag. And an ID tag here. You can write your name, telephone number, address here.
Yes.
Yes, very convenient and useful.
Yes.
This one can for back to school. Yes, back to school set. You have this bag set and no need more another bags.
Yes.
This two same. This one color for girls. Very nice. And this one, a small change for front pocket. Here we have two front pocket and two mid pocket here. The zipper puller also we made the rubber and the string here make the bags look fishy.
Yes.
And the fabric, this is here is the PU 600E with PU coating, soft and the back very light. The back straps make the wide and very strong here. Inside, four lining inside. And the back side, we can put a laptop for back side. As you know, we are the manufacturer for bags, and we have the factory for exercise books. So we have a lot of customer buy bags and stationeries and exercise books from us. Then to pack them together into one paper carton, ship to customer directly, so they can sell it for promotion and for back to school. I think it's a very good promotion idea.
Yes.
So choose us, trust us. You can have a best partner in China. Welcome to visit us and place orders. Welcome.
Welcome.
Okay, that's all.